Good day, guys. I hope you all are well. Hope you all are having a wonderful and amazing day thus far. It's MGRFX Trading, and today I'm going to be breaking down GBP USD and NASDAQ, and of course, how I trade these two using the ICT silver bullet setup. Now, on mine, I do have a bit of a variation. I don't really look for the original rule setup by ICT. I've applied my own little sauce to the mixture, and on my end, what I do and how I trade it is I'll wait for the first 15 minutes of the silver bullet hour. Of course, this will be on the 1 minute time frame. The first 15 minutes of the silver bullet hour, that is my trading range. I'll wait for price to break above or below, and then I execute my position according to either it break above, and I would buy. If it does break below, then I would sell. It's very similar to, it's actually the same as an Asian session, a break and retest, the exact same as that. And that's basically how I trade it. I just take a 1-to-1 risk to reward. On GU and NAS, on GU, the win ratio is around 80% for the past 2 months. On NASDAQ, it's around 70%. So it's not too bad on NASDAQ, but on GU, it definitely works quite well. And this is obviously a 1-to-1 risk to reward. So I'm very chuffed with that. I think that's a fantastic start, for the past 2 months. I know it's not the best, and we don't really have the most backtesting data to really draw on, but I know that it's not too bad at all. I think that's quite competent. Having the method being released late May, I think that's quite a lovely, quite a lovely past few months that we have been having with these two pairs. But all right, regardless of that, let's hop into the charts and actually just show you exactly what I'm looking at. So this is today's price action, and as you can see, we stop loss on NASDAQ, unfortunately, for the New York silver bullet. However, for the London silver bullet, which is the New York in the morning, early morning New York, we had a nice take profit over there. And with GU, of course, we did have a take profit for New York, and we had a nice one as well for London. I think the PM session yesterday, you also had a take profit. Yeah, we did. Zoom in over this is GU, of course. I know yesterday was a SL with regards to the New York session. That was yesterday. So I'm going to have a look over here. And yes, as you can see, this candle, it broke and closed above this range. So you just bought upon the break and close above. We ran some drawdown, and eventually we take profit. So that was quite nice. That's the PM. Normally, I only trade the New York session. This is the previous day. We did have a nice stop loss over here. I sold, and we just ran ourselves to the upside, unfortunately, with regards to that. But that's fine. We're not always going to win every single trade opportunity. However, we just need to make sure that our win ratio is much, much more higher than normal. So normally, if you have a 1-to-2 risk to reward, you can have a win ratio of 50%. But because of your reward, you basically risking 10 to make 20. Because of that, you're going to end up making more, regardless of having a very low win ratio. But because this is a 1-to-1 risk reward, of course, you just have to do basic math and understand that you need to have a very high win ratio in order to actually make some good money with this, which we do, fortunately. Fortunately, we do. So yeah, that's just Tokyo and NASDAQ. We had a nice take profit over there. As you can see, we broke above there, and then we had, let me just pop through and just have a long position here. Added my long position and just have it a 1-to-1. 1-to-1 achieved, take profit smash. New York PM. Fantastic. I do have to make a video in which I go into depth with regards to all the positions taken for the past 2 months. And then we can have a nice back testing session, which will take some time, perhaps a few hours, like an hour or 2 hour long video, just to show the back tested data and just show that I'm not lying in terms of the win ratio and in terms of the trades that can be taken, because the criteria is extremely simple. You can't go wrong. If price breaks and closes above on the 1 minute time frame, on the first 15 minutes of the silver bullet hour, you place a buy. If it does the same thing below, if it breaks and closes below, like over here, broke and closed below around this candlestick, you place a sell. And of course, we had a lovely stop loss over there, unfortunately, but that's fine. It happens, and yeah, that's just the way it is. Of course, I am using the indicator. I'll show you my indicators. These are session indicators. Just move this nicely there. This is a session indicator. It just shows sessions. I don't need to stress about that. You can find that on on TradingView for free. This one, the silver bullet session, all it does is it boxes out your silver bullet hours. This one was provided by Secker. All you have to do is just search Secker, ZEKKR, on YouTube. You'll find him, join his Discord, and then you will forward through that lovely indicator over here. It's quite nice. I only use it for the session because I'm too lazy to always box it out manually myself. But if you know where it is manually yourself, you can do it yourself. You don't have to go through all the stress and trouble of go into his YouTube, into his Discord, and just get an indicator. But if you have time, if you know what, like me, a bit lazy, then absolutely fine. I'll make my chart cleaner as well. I think I like to sing, okay, here's a box, bye. You know, I think I like that. That's just my style of trading and just my cleanliness of the charts. But all right, that is that for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I think it was quite simple and to the point. I don't want to waste your time too much. Just to recap, silver bullet session hours, same thing as ICT. The first 15 minutes is your trading range. You wait for price to break above, you would buy. You wait for price to break below, you would sell. Breaking closure below, it has to be the 1 minute time frame. So 1 minute time frame, this is the time frame that you are using. 1 minute time frame, first 15 minutes of your silver bullet hour is your trading range. You would wait for price to break above or below, and of course execute your position accordingly. Thanks very much for watching the video to the end. I hope you all have a wonderful day further. Keep well, keep safe, and I will catch you in the next one. So cheers guys, and have a good one.